Hi to techies. Now in this you are going to understand how to develop simple bus ticket booking system using GUI. So in this you will be able to follow that how to book a ticket, how to retrieve details by applying some buttons. Okay, and this is the way you have to apply the same. First thing is you have to create one package with project and followed by important packages like swing, AWT, action event, action listener, array list. So now the next step, you create one class. Your class name is bus ticket booking system, and whenever you are going to inherit the properties from JFrame, apply extends here. Now give some maximum seats 50. Suppose you are boarding one bus, it consists of 50 seats only. Then let us check the sale. Suppose if you are crossing, if it crosses 50 and when the passenger want to book ticket, it is not possible. And if you recollect array list and apply the same, here passenger is type and passenger list is object. And you need to take the class name as your constructor. And next one is you just arrange all the design like size, layout, label, text field, address label, address field, age field, book button, passenger area. So this is the way you have to design by adding all these things. Now you need to perform the validation for passenger name, passenger address, passenger age. Then if it is less than maximum seats only, then it is going to allocate the seat number and adding passenger. If it is greater than that, it will come out from that all seats are booked. So passenger name, passenger address, and seat number. And again, you need to set the text. It's a passenger area name, address, age field. Now again, you need to add all this and make that true. And if you want to retrieve the passenger list, and you need to put in a listing builder, and it will second use for each loop. So it is array, you are using arrays, no? So apply for each loop. You need to append seat number, name, address, age. So you need to apply the get method to retrieve all the details. So using string builder, we're applying the same. And finally, you are going to represent the string to the object. String representation of object can be performed. So you need to apply the string utilities.invoke later. You need to run the GUI. And finally, you need to call the bus ticket booking system. Please apply the syntax. And one more thing is, I'm applying the modernization at package level. Some lines of code got reduced in my project. You need to write all the getters and setters method as you already learned in the previous one. So if you're still not able to get in my previous lectures, getters setters also there. Please go through that one. So whenever we are applying the package level, package name, class name, and apply the parameters constructor, apply getter setter method, and you need to retrieve all the details. So let us run this program. You'll be able to follow. Click my project name is events. Please choose the bus ticket booking system. Run as. Don't need to bother about this one. This is my previous one. Take some passenger name, address. Let us take age 28 and take one more passenger name, take age 35. Book tickets. See how you are getting. So like this, you will display all the 10 until 50. If it crosses 50, it won't execute and all seats are booked and you cannot book the tickets. So I hope this example helps you out. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, put like and share others to subscribe.